In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a table in LibreOffice Writer. This is a very quick and simple task, but if you're new to LibreOffice Writer, it can help to know exactly where to click so you don't accidentally remove the wrong content. The good news is that you do not need to manually select the entire table first. LibreOffice makes this easier than you might expect. To get started, open LibreOffice Writer and open the document that contains the table you want to remove. Once your document is on screen, go to the table you want to delete. Now, instead of dragging your mouse across the whole table or trying to highlight everything inside it, simply click anywhere in the table. You can click on any cell or any part of that table. The important thing is just to make sure your cursor is active inside the table, because that tells LibreOffice which table you want to work with. After you click inside the table, look toward the bottom of your screen. You should see table formatting options appear. These options are contextual, which means they show up based on what you currently have selected. Since your cursor is inside a table, LibreOffice will display tools related to table editing. From those options, find the one labeled Delete Table and click it. As soon as you do that, LibreOffice Writer will remove the entire table from your document. That's all you need to do. One helpful tip is to make sure you click inside the correct table before using the delete option, especially if your document has more than one table. Since you don't need to highlight the table first, it's easy to move quickly, but it's still worth taking a second to confirm you're deleting the right one. Also, if you remove the table by mistake, you can usually undo the action right away using the undo command, which can save you time and help prevent accidental changes. So to recap, open LibreOffice Writer, click anywhere inside the table you want to remove. Look for the table options at the bottom of the screen and click Delete Table. LibreOffice will then delete the table immediately. And that's it. You now know how to delete a table in LibreOffice Writer.